Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix try downloading failed video again YouTube problem. If you are experiencing issue while trying to download video on YouTube and seeing a try downloading again error, here are some general steps to troubleshoot the problem. First of all, check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable and active internet connection. A poor or unstable connection may lead to download failures. After that, update YouTube app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the YouTube app. Outdated versions may have bugs and issues that have been addressed in newer releases. And clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for YouTube app. In app info of YouTube app, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Restart the app and restart your phone. Close the YouTube app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. If the issue persists and you frequently download videos, consider subscribing to YouTube Premium. Premium users can download videos for offline viewing without encountering ads. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.